Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mirror right here, and basically what this is a grow light. So you definitely use this product to stick it on top of your plants. So that way your plants can get some light, which is definitely pretty awesome, especially if you guys are living somewhere where it's really dark. But first thing, let me just open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. Let's take it out first. So once you guys take everything out, this actually looks like inside. So they probably guys a little stick where you guys can screw it on here in the bottom. So just like that. And then once you guys screw it on, you guys can actually adjust this part right here to make it as long as you need. So depending on how big your plant is and etc., you guys can adjust it on here. If you see in the bottom right here, they do have like a pointy part. So that way when you guys are ready to stick it onto your plant, it should be pretty easy. And then for the stick right here, if it's too long, you can definitely push it back in to the right length that you guys want. And then for this part right here, you see we do have the LED lights on here. So once you guys plug in the cable and activate it, you can definitely use it onto your plant. If you can see right here, we do have the remote control. And then on the remote control right here, if you can see, we do have a bunch of timer options. So you definitely can adjust it to however long you guys need. And for this part right here is a USB cable. So you definitely have the option to plug it into a computer, a power bank, or wall charger as well. So that is everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so once you plug in the cable, you guys can see that this is what the light looks like. And the way how you guys adjust the timer option on here is by pressing on the button. So each time you click on the button on here, it'll change it from 24 hours to 16 hours to 12 hours or to 8 hours. And if you guys press after that, it'll turn off. So right now we have it on 24. If I press it one time, now it's on 16. Now it's on 12. Now it's on 8. And it turns off. So let's say for example, if you guys set it up to 8 hours, after 8 hours, it'll turn off by itself automatically. So that is everything that's included in this set right here and how to actually use it. If you can see, it definitely does work and it's very simple to actually use it. Literally all you need to do is just stick this onto your plant, and you guys want to activate the product in terms of the timer option. And once you guys do all of that, then you guys are all set. And you don't have to worry about the plant other than putting some water onto it. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to end the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are growing a lot of plants indoor and you guys don't have like natural sunlight, then definitely getting one of these is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.